this is the track of Ida, the expectation of Ida. We're pretty narrowed in here that it's going to be a Category 4, making landfall just south of New Orleans Sunday afternoon. So here's where we expect Ida to travel. You see this northwesterly component.
All right, so it's Friday morning. It is August 27th, and we got a hurricane coming, right? So we have to
evacuate.
We decided that we're going to evacuate. It's just something that, as a father, that I would like to make sure that my family's safe. All this other house, this beautiful house, is materialistic, and sometimes we turn it into little adventures. So we might go on a hike. We might go do something. I don't know. Whatever we find. We're bringing Cheyenne with us, right? So stay tuned to how South Louisianians prepare for a storm. Not the traditional Louisiana way where we get drunk. We're gonna have fun.
We're still evacuating for the hurricane, and we're building a tent, and we started a long time ago. We got a lot, and I'm going to show you. So my cousins are building right now, and I got some leaves. We got some pink.
Theirs came out really nice.
We can make it better than us when we go camping then. Just with no.
Let's see if Cheyenne like it. Come on, Shy. Get in.
Hey, Shy.
Watch out. Back up. Hey. Come here, Shy. Come on.
Trying.
Okay. Oh, what do you got, Shy?
Shy. We're trying to make one for.
Yeah, you're gonna show a little fort.
Yeah.
That's good.
Me and Bryson. Hey guys, we at the creek. We're going to probably tomorrow or later today. We're gonna go catch some brown trout or rainbow trout. We're gonna try. Guys, there's a baby bass. There's a baby bass down there. Look, you see them? That's minnows. We found some peppers. We don't know if it's poisonous or regular bullfrog. Daddy, what kind are they?
I'm uncertain, baby.
I think they're poisonous. They have some green ones in there. I think they're Look at poisonous. That big one. I think there's some poisonous tadpoles in here. Hey guys, we left the cabin. We on the boat. Now we're gonna go tap tubing right now.
Yep, we're gonna hit the water. We gotta get our life jackets on before we start. We're gonna make the best of this hurricane, huh? All right, pray for all our families back at home. But in the meantime, we're gonna live our life, have fun. Get him! Keep reeling. All right, sir, bring it. No, come on, get it over the thing. All right, you're fine. First rainbow shot, let it go, Finn. Good job, Sissy. Look how pretty this one is.
That's where it goes off of the gift right there, Dad.
Look at that. Beautiful rainbow trout, Sissy. Oh. No! We still got it!
My dad helps me catch him, so it is my first trap ever.
And let me see his colors. Point him down where I can see his back. Ooh, I love him, huh? What you thought about that? It's fun? Alright, let's get him on the stringer with your brothers. Hot fin.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Mr. Fishy.
All right, make sure he's locked and loaded. Pass it through the loop. Hey, get him in. Look at that.
Mama can catch this too.
Woo, mama.
Like Look, he's kind of got some glitters. Look. Look. And his polka dots. He's got some sparkles. Huh?
It's on the other side.
Watch my finger. Watch my finger.
There you go, sis. Good job, sissy.
On that side.
Sis. Pick it up high. High, high. Ooh.
Fish today.
That's number 4. We need 2 more, huh?
I'm gonna put them in the water. My first rainbow trout. Mine is a big fatty.
Oh, it's a good one. Oh, whoa, 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 where is he going?
He can't go because we're too far out the water.
All right, so we've been evacuated for now 3-4 days. We finally found some rainbow trout. You see them on the grill. I cleaned them up earlier. We had a fantastic time. That was really our first time, especially the kids and the wife. But we brought a little extra. We got some flounder, and that's kind of hard to see in the light, and some redfish, flounder, and rainbow trout. A little Cajun, Oklahoma mix. Good times. Everything for our house is fine. Some of our families, not so much. But it starts the building process. Stay with it. All right, so it's been nearly 2 months. Things are starting to come back together for us. When I left Broken Bow, Kayla actually went up to Monroe, and I came home and stayed without electricity for just about a week and a half before I said, hey, babe, we have electricity. It's time for you and the kids to come home. Although gas and food was scarce, she brought groceries. It lasted until things started coming around. I would say that about 75–80% of Houma itself is actually back up to par. You know, when we decided to evacuate, you know, we decided that it wasn't our best interest. We didn't know what was coming, whether it was a category 3, 4, 5, we didn't know. We just wanted to be safe, and we elected to enjoy our time while we was there. And we pray, and we continue to pray for everybody that's here, that has no homes, that are still living in tents. The destruction of Hurricane Ida was just tremendous down here in our small town of Houma. And I'm not gonna forget about Ponasham, Montague, Chauvin, Cocodrie, Dularge, Terrio, all of those surrounding areas around us. They took a major hit. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope that we can continue producing more and more for y'all. We just enjoy, as much as probably you do, getting out and trying new things.